Hi, Craig here from Hearts AI. This is a really great little ChatGPT hack, which actually somebody from my office, Barry, told me about. So I have to give credit to Barry. So literally, all I did was I went into ChatGPT and I asked a simple question, and I said, find me a working coupon for LearnDash.com. So LearnDash.com is going to be the WordPress plugin that I'm going to launch my courses on online on heartsai.com. And lo and behold, it's given me a few options. I saw the one that gave me a 20% off coupon, WP, this one here. I thought, let me check it out. I put it in to my details here, and voila, got £5.80 off. So I would say for anything you're going to buy online, whether it's B2B or B2C, put in this prompt, find me a working coupon for it, and then put on the website and try it. You've got nothing to lose. Enjoy. Thank you, Barry.